quarter or $half size hail. So still in Tennessee, we have thunderstorms working through, mainly moving to the east about 60 miles an hour, actually right along Interstate 40, it seems. This storm went through Jackson, now continuing to head to the to the east at about 60 miles an hour. We're looking at your latest warning expiring at 4:30. This is for Benton, Carroll, and Decatur counties, including the city of Holiday. You can see some of these little white ticks, some of these little white pixels there. That's that $half size hail that we've seen. It looks like the hail is getting to be a little bit smaller, so the updraft in this storm may be starting to die out just a little bit, but it's still quite strong, and it's been hanging on for over an hour. So these places you need to watch out as this storm is heading in your direction. Mount Moriah at 412, Bakersville at 416, New Johnsonville at 418, and we have Elysian Grove looking at the storm passing through there at 422. So it has a history of hail. It has a history of wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, and we will continue to see these thunderstorms developing throughout the evening hours and even into the overnights. You can see these thunderstorms extending through Kentucky, southward all the way down into Louisiana as we go into tomorrow morning. Tom Nizzle has the latest on some lake effect. Some big lake effect snow amounts are expected over the next few days in upstate New York. Some areas could pick up over a foot. Let's go to the lab and meteorologist Mike Bettis to look at what causes lake effect snow and these big snow totals. It's interesting over this way too. We've got severe thunderstorms to talk about moving through parts of Tennessee. I've got the lightning data on these storms now, and you know, this is pretty impressive. Earlier the Storm Prediction Center was talking about really there's just mid-level instability, so there's not strong instability with these storms yet. We've been able to generate golf ball size hail, ping pong ball size hail. With this particular storm that's now moving out of its warning box, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning on this storm until 4:45 p.m. Looks like it's tracking just to the north now of Interstate 40. So if you're in Dickinson Municipal, Sylvia, Charlotte, or Dull, this storm will be moving in your direction. What does it have a history of? It has a history of hail, anywhere from quarter-size hail all the way up to golf ball size hail. Last report, $half size hail with this as the storm moves to the east at 60 miles an hour. We've also had reports of 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts with that particular storm as well. Now this is just the beginning, because as we go through the afternoon and into this evening, more storms are expected to form across the Mid-South, continuing southward down into Alabama and Mississippi. That's actually going to be where we're more concerned with severe weather in the late evening hours going into even early tomorrow morning. By the time we get to 4 a.m., you can see a line of showers with some embedded thunderstorms possible. Charlotte down to Atlanta, continuing backward towards Jackson. This area could have a risk of severe storms, so do